I-National Energy Regulator yaseNingizimu Afrika igunyaze ukwenyuswa kwentela kagesi kwa-Eskom ngo-12.7% ngonyaka wezimali ka-2025 kuya ku-2028. Ukwenyuka kungaphansi kakhulu kwa-36.15% lokhu kucelwe yinkampani zikahulumeni, kodwa-ke kusengaphezu kwezicelo ezenziwa ababambe iqhaza abaningi ngesikhathi sokulalela kwezikhalazo zomphakathi ngoNovemba kanjalo nangoDisemba zokuthi ukunyuka kuhambisane nokwehla kwamandla emali. Esitatimendini esikhishwe izolo, i-NERSA ithi ithathe lesi sinqumo isusela olwazini enalo kanye nokuhlaziya kwesicelo sesithupha se-Eskom sokunquma amanani entengo seminyaka yezimali ka-2025 kuya ku-2028. Ngaphe kwalokho, i-NERSA ikholelwa ukuthi lesi sinyathelo sizohlomulisa umnotho sibe nomthelela omncane kubathengi.
The energy regulator at its meeting held today, the 30th of January 2025, has made the following decisions. For the 2025-26 financial year, the energy regulator approved revenues of 385 billion, which translates to a percentage increase of 12.74%. For the 2026-27 financial year, the energy regulator approved revenues of 409 billion, which translates to a percentage increase of 5.36%. And for the 2027-28 financial year, the energy regulator approved revenues of 436 billion, translating to a percentage increase of 6.19%. The energy regulator recognizes the challenges faced by consumers and the importance of ensuring that electricity remains affordable while also securing Eskom's financial sustainability. This decision, which is substantially lower than Eskom's application, will have a positive impact on the South African economy and a significantly lower impact on consumers. NERSA appreciates the contributions from all stakeholders during the decision-making process.